Hey everyone, this is Ahmad, and welcome to CodeBooks Academy. What is LangGraph and why it's powerful? Today we're stepping into one of the most exciting tools in the Agentic AI ecosystem, LangGraph. If LangChain gives your agents the ability to think step by step, LangGraph gives them the ability to act like a team, dynamically passing tasks, looping decisions, and adapting in real time. So what is LangGraph? It's a framework built on top of LangChain that lets you model your agent system as a state machine, or more simply, a graph. Each node in that graph can be a LangChain or an individual agent. These nodes connect to each other based on logic, memory, or outcomes. Let's say you have a planner agent. When it finishes generating a plan, the output automatically routes to a researcher agent. Once the research is done, it flows to a validator, then a summarizer. That's a LangGraph in action, and the flow is intelligent, reactive, and persistent. What's powerful here is that LangGraph supports loops, branching, conditional flows, and memory sharing. For example, if a researcher fails to find enough information, it can loop back to the planner to revise the task. That kind of feedback loop makes your agents far more capable. And the best part? LangGraph is async native, which means it's built to scale across distributed systems or cloud functions, great for production workloads. It supports multi-agent conversations, long-running workflows, and task delegation between agents. It also works seamlessly with LangChain tools and memory. You can give each node different access levels, personas, and tools, just like team roles in a real company. In short, LangGraph is how you move from simple chains to powerful agent workflows that behave more like coordinated teams. In our next video, we'll explore how to make your agents smarter with RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. It's how your agents pull live data, learn from documents, and avoid hallucinations. Don't miss it. We're just getting started.